Okay, welcome back mga scalper. Another technical analysis for BTC and wag na nga nating patagalin pa. So daily time frame is isang doji candle and below average yung volume. So meaning undecided na yung market. Silipin natin sa lower time frame. 4 hours kung makikita natin, nandito lang yung range ni BTC naglalaro, and yung possible scenario is kung saan magkakaroon ng breakout, either sa resistance or either here sa support area natin. So yun na nga, nagkaroon tayo ng another support and resistance here and support and resistance here, but kakalimutan na natin yan. We are going to focus dun sa mga current na nangyayari, which is dito. So currently, pinapakita ng BTC is nasa downtrend pa rin tayo. Either continuation to ng downtrend, yung nagpo-form na sideways dito, and or either mag-break pa rin sa taas. So let's wait pa rin kung saan yung breakout ni BTC and then yung possible direction. But bigger picture, kung makikita nyo, is still we are on a downtrend.